The energy transition, it's challenging more or less everything about the grid. We need to be able to integrate more and more renewables to allow the market participants to balance their consumption, and we need to automate the whole balancing process. And we need software to be able to push the limits and operate the grid nearer to real time.
So Fingrid came to us saying, look, can you provide a modern way of automatically controlling the grid? GridOS is our base platform, and what it brings is really the ability to accelerate development of apps. And it does this because it already provides a modular architecture, ways that allow a utility to then access the data and use it in their own ways, extend it in their own ways. This idea that the data is in a tight silo is not something we do anymore. Providing it in an open, accessible platform really is to the advantage of all utilities.
To be able to integrate more and more renewables, we need to allow the market participants to balance consumption and generation in real time. And for this, it's not possible anymore to do it manually, so we need to automate the whole balancing process. And that's one good example where software has a key role.
We came together within quite a tight collaboration with Fingrid to then develop independent load frequency control capability, which is a way of automatically controlling the grid.
With LFC, what's the best from my perspective, it's actually to take these modern components in this quite conservative control center environment. So it's really, we are taking the benefits of all those huge investments worldwide in cloud architecture and these new technologies and gaining from it.
With load frequency control capability, if there is a reason to update, for example, just one function or one piece of it, you swap in the new microservice, replacing the old microservice. And this can be done live, without interruption, to allow continuity of service. This is much more dynamic, much more flexible, and much more focused.